Hey everybody, Don Irwin and my general manager Jason Whittle down here at Mountain View Chevrolet in downtown Chattanooga. We want to tell you about the Chevrolet Cobalt. And Jason, if you'll pan around here, folks, you'll see that we are your Chattanooga headquarters for the Chevrolet Cobalt. These are the coupes that we have in inventory. We've moved them onto our showroom floor so we can show you just exactly how many we have. We've got this many or more sedans, don't we, Jason, out on the lot?
Absolutely.
Zoom in on this one, this XFE, which is incredible. It's an incredible fuel mileage car. 37 miles per gallon on the highway average, up to 44 miles per gallon. Not a hybrid.
Not a hybrid.
Not a hybrid. A four-cylinder gas engine car. And then if you can, Jason, zoom in on the MSRP, the manufacturer's suggested retail price of $16,585.
Okay.
Now we've got rebates and we've got discounts that you're absolutely, folks, you're not going to believe. We can sell this particular car for $11,995.
11.9.
Yeah,
Are you sure, Don?
Yeah, well, you told me to say that, Jason, so I guess I have to be sure. Guys, that's 30% off of MSRP.
30.
30%. Everybody, say that with me. 30%.
Very good. Wow.
There are other things. As a matter of fact, Jason, big news while you're painting these Cobalts. Tell everybody what GM just announced as far as assurance in making the payments on their vehicles that they buy from them. Hey guys, we just got this from General Motors, and before we ended this brief little commercial video, we wanted to let you know about several things that they want to let you know. Jason, real quick, just explain to us what we're looking at here.
Well, basically with the Total Confidence Package, they want you to know that your investment is going to be protected with protection value of your trade.
Right.
Basically, if you trade your new GM car that you purchase between yesterday and the end of the month, you're going to be protected up to $5,000 with negative equity.
Okay, and they can call us about more details.
Absolutely. Call us, give us a call.
All right, what else?
Also, protecting your paycheck. Don already mentioned that about if you happen to lose your job. Of course, protect your vehicle. GM's 5-year, 100,000-mile. Best warranty in the business.
Unprecedented warranty, yeah.
And also protecting your family with OnStar being offered pretty much on every one of our cars.
Yeah. So guys, come see these Cobalts. Contact Jason or myself about details. Any of our salespeople will be
Don, let me
very
ask you, if I have a trade-in, how much is a car worth to us right now? Talk about that.
It's worth big money. Guys, we need trade-ins. Whether it's high mileage, low mileage, new trade-ins, old trade-ins, we've got wholesalers, we've got used car customers, we've got a big array of an opportunity to sell your trade-in to somebody. So we're putting big money in trade-ins. We would love to see your car. Check us out at yourchattanoogaChevy.com or yourchevyguys.com. All kinds of ways to see these cars, other pieces of inventory. You can do a credit app online. We want you to be satisfied completely, guys, with your Chevrolet, and we feel like we are the headquarters to do it.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Jason.
Come
see us,
Don.
guys.